Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me are BaseUs Bowie MA10 headphones, and I'm going to show you how to easily go into EQ mode and choose between a lot of EQ presets. Let's get started. First we have to remove our headphones from our case, because we want them to connect with our phone. We can leave the lid open. Now we have to open our BaseUs app and wait a moment. After a few moments we can click on our device and wait a moment too. Now as you can see there's EQ mode over there, we can click on it. There are a lot of equalizers, for example BaseUs Classic, Mega Bass, Theater, Clear, DJ, Hi-Fi and a lot of more. You can choose between them by just clicking on it, for example just Classical. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.